All right, welcome back to LearnWire. Today we're going to be looking at the bulk mode inside of Agility Writer. A couple housekeeping things to cover real quick. You want to make sure that you are subscribed to LearnWire and that you like the video and that you leave a thoughtful comment on the video, and you'll be in the running to win a copy of Copify on Monday morning. I believe that's May 8th. I'll be doing the first drawing. I'm giving away 4 giveaways in the month of May. So just make sure you like, subscribe, and comment on every video in May, and you'll have a chance to win free software. Super cool stuff. I'm going to be doing some more Agility Writer videos for you because it is one of the most impressive AI content generation tools that I have seen. And that's pretty much period across the board in the last 2 years. The quality and the formatting of the content, as well as the live scraping and all of the different things it's doing in the background, the capabilities of Agility Writer. Don't let the looks of the software fool you. This is very, very powerful. And I love ZimWriter. I'm going to be doing more content for that, but I will say that it's a little easier to use Agility Writer at this point. But version 7 of ZimWriter is coming out in a week as well. I will be doing more content on that as well. But for now, we're going to be doing some Agility Writer content. Also, another thing about the pricing is that I have talked with the owner, Adam, the creator of Agility Writer, and they're marketing at a audience that wants higher quality output. And they actually have to do API calls using different softwares, at least 4 other different API calls for some of the things that Agility Writers are doing. And there's no way around the cost. And so they want to position themselves where they are looking for their ideal customer is going to be people that want the highest of quality AI content. And so he did explain to me a little bit about that. This is just, if you're looking for the LTD, the unlimited words or anything like that, this is just not going to be that software for you. Okay, so let's jump in. And here's Agility Writer. I'm going to do some other tutorials as well. We will also do the website page beta version. I'll do a video on that, and then another product roundup probably as well. But today we are going to go into the bulk mode. And inside of bulk mode, let's go over here. I actually need to go and create another project, so I'm going to go do that real quick. So I'm going to select that project name right over here. And there's a difference between article title. If you already have your optimized titles, then you would select this option. But if you just have a keyword, so this is going to be a really cool option because it's going to go out there. It's going to crawl the web, and the system will crawl the top ranking search results according to the keyword and suggest the best article title that matches the search intent. So this is really cool if you have a list. We're going to start off because I'm going to go with a certain category on this site, and I have just 11 articles to write for this category. So I'm going to go ahead and we're going to paste all those in. You can see I just pasted all the articles, the keywords. These are actually keywords. We can go in here, we can say casual, we can say first person. I'm going to go ahead and stick with that. I like that. I'm going to change the audience. We're going to say dog lovers, something like that. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to uncheck the FAQs. I don't want these articles to be too long. Standard factual data, I'm going to select that one. And then also advanced content structure, I'm going to select that. So it will encourage it to create any kind of tables or lists for us. And then I'm going to stick with that. That's pretty much all we have to do. And then I'm going to add this to the writing queue. Any of the things you select down here is what it's looking like. It still only costs 1 credit because these are the one-click mode. So right now your request has been added to the queue. This was down yesterday when I did my review. It doesn't appear to be down today. You can do up to 50 articles at once. Ensure you have enough credits, or the additional articles not covered by credits will be removed from the writing queue. And so the bulk mode is going to go off of the one-click mode over here. And so there's nothing in here that you can select that's going to make it cost more money than the 1 credit, which is cool. But once you enter in advanced mode, you're automatically going to be on 2 credits. It's just a lot more advanced and going to be doing more things for us. But right now we're on the bulk mode. You can go into the history over here and you can see that it is in process right here. I'll go ahead and pause the video and we'll come back when this starts writing. I will also go set a timer real quick. And while these like 10 or 11 articles are being written, I wanted to let you know that Adam gave me a special coupon code only for LearnWire. If you use coupon code LEARN10 right here, it's a special coupon and you'll get 10% off your reoccurring monthly subscription. So you're going to get 10% off your reoccurring. So you're going to get a discount, and I believe that's going to be for the life of your membership, which is super, super cool. And then also anyone that signs up with this code can also enjoy an additional 25% credits. I believe right now they're doing a 10% credit or something like that, but you can get an additional 25% credits for the first 2 months. And I don't know what this means. We will top up within 24 hours. But so you're going to get 25% additional credits first 2 months, and then also saving 10% each month if you use coupon code LEARN10 if you sign up to Agility Writer. Just wanted to let you guys know that. I'll put that in the description as well below. Okay, so we have 2 of the articles done. We can also go to the project and just select which project we want to look at. And we now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 articles done in just 5 minutes and 45 seconds. And we have 11 articles that we are looking to get done, and it's only been just under 6 minutes. So we'll let this just continue writing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right there. And this is cool that we're getting between 2,000 and 3,000 words. I like that all these articles are staying in the 2,000 range. I actually don't want these articles to be longer than 3,000 words. That's just way too much content. So we can actually go and start looking at what these look like. So Border Collie Canicross right here. So Border Collie Canicross, a guide for getting started, and the top breeds for cross-country running. What is Canicross? It's going to talk about that. It's going to talk about Border Collies right here. The key takeaways right here. Numerous benefits for both you and your Border Collie, including improved physical fitness, enhanced well-being, and so forth. So really cool stuff. It's staying on point, talking about Canicross and the Border Collie. One of the popular dogs with that sport. Getting started with Border Collie Canicross. To get started, it's important to invest in proper equipment, the benefits of cross country right here, experiment needed for Canicross, equipment needed right here. It is going into some, here's some top breeds right here as well. And then right here, Border Collies, natural runners, ideal Canicross partners. So I really like that it came up with that content. This is very specific content right here. Some of this other stuff I'm going to get in a lot of the articles on this niche because there's not a lot of content out there and it's not a well-known sport. So there's not a whole lot of content, but it's doing a pretty good job on this. Is a great test to put Agility Writer through as well, because there is not, I've tried other AI writers and they've kind of struggled with this niche as well, because it pretty much just kind of repeats the same content with all the articles that you come up with, because there's not a whole lot of content out there, if you will. So it did come up with more other breeds right here. That's cool. Essential tips for canicrossing with your Border Collie, proper nutrition, hydration. And it continues to talk about Border Collie right there. So this is still extremely high quality and staying on point. And we've got all these lists, and these are some sources that we've got right here, AKC and so forth. So really cool. We could copy that. We'll go look at some more of these. All right, so we clicked off that. All the articles are done. So we'll go stop the timer. So it wrote 11 articles in around 8 minutes. That is very impressive, in my opinion, the quality that it is writing for us. We're able to get these one-click, these bulk mode articles. We're able to get them created very quickly. So if we got 10 created in about 6, 7, 8 minutes, you would be able to theoretically, if you put 50 in here, they'll probably be done in about 45 minutes if I had to guess. That's not too shabby, right? You do that once per hour. You could end up still writing 1,000 articles in one day with this tool. We'll come over here and look at another one real quick. Canicross harness for small dogs. We'll look at that one. And understanding Canicross for small dogs. That's really cool. It's staying on point. Benefits of Canicross for dog owners. Proper harness to fit small dogs. And it continues candy crossing using terminology that's only known in that in this sport, in this niche, right? Preventing injuries, key factors to consider when choosing a Candy Cross harness for small dogs, size and fit, material and durability. So it is doing pretty good. I don't think in the bulk mode that it's going to do the tables. You're going to get tables and so forth when you do the advanced mode, but we are getting some really good lists and some very good, well structured articles right here. So what we could do is we could actually go in here and download all these. So we've got all these articles right here. I'm going to go ahead and click this. And I'm not really sure if I want to download the HTML or the Word or the text, but we're going to go ahead and just download the Word file on these. So we've got a zip file right here. I'm going to unstract that real quick. Then I'm going to go over to the site and we're going to try this plugin out. Actually, I'm going to go do this plugin. I'm not going to do this live because I haven't used this plugin before. Okay, guys, for the life of me, I cannot find a plugin that will allow you to upload like Word documents in bulk into WordPress. I've tried like 10 different plugins. WP import isn't working properly for me. There's other it's like they're all called the same thing as well. WP import also wasn't working properly. There was just a bunch of them that I tried that just wasn't working. And so I will continue working on a solution so we can upload these quickly. But for the time being, we'll just go ahead and look at one. So you could actually just open one up right here and we could just grab let's just click to copy. And then we could go in and we would just go into add new post. And I imagine we would just come up here to the top and push Control V. Okay, that doesn't seem to be working. Let me go ahead and manually copy this for now and paste that in right there. Get rid of the quotations right here. And let's look over here. So we've got the quotation or introduction. I probably would change that to something or even just get rid of introduction. Doesn't really need to say that. But it does keep all the formatting when you just straight up copy and paste. So all the formatting is here. It looks really, really good right here. And we would just need to get an image right here. Okay, perfect. So we've got our blog post easily uploaded right over here. It'll click on it and check it out. Now I'm actually going to work on the theme and see if we can get this kind of a highlight in the background, but that's what I did for now. But we have a nicely formatted, high quality, on point article published to our new website. So that's Agility Writer. If you want to pick up Agility Writer, they start at $25 a month. Again, you can get an additional 10% off by using Learn 10 right here. And then also they'll put in 25% extra credits for your first 2 months using the system. And they have pricing points for just about everybody. All right. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I will create some more Agility Writer videos. See you next time.